one of these. It's called a hash brown. No, it's cold. Yeah, you can touch it.
Mommy. Well, that's so cool.
And then we're gonna cook it in the air fryer. And then we're gonna put an egg on top. So we're gonna do temp. And turn it on. So that means on. It's on because it's lighted up. It lit up.
Can I do it on?
So we're gonna go air crisp, and then you're gonna go hit temperature. This one, TEMP.
Temp.
Yep, hard. Press it hard. There you go. And now it's blinking. And we'll use the knob to go to 400. So you gotta go up. There you go. 400. Boom. Now you're gonna hit time.
Time.
Good boy. And then this will start. You're gonna put it on 15. So you're gonna push it down. There you go. 15. Beautiful. Now, hit the middle of it. Push this. Push it in. Boom. Now we come back in 15 minutes. Okay?
Well,
What are you doing? What are you doing?
today, look at this. This is number 5. This is number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Number 5. 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 99. Okay. Put it way back. It's ready. Yeah.
This is celebrated too hard. All right, Bubba. Bring your chair around here. So we took the top off, but we left the hash brown in here so it can cool off, but it won't get cold.
Why won't it get cold?
Why won't it get cold is because the residual heat in the air fryer will keep it warm for us. Yes, baby. You're coming up too, I promise. Hold on 1 second. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. No, no, no. Over here. Move your chair over here.
Where's the part the handle?
Point the handle this way.
Yeah, but where is it? Where is it?
Sit here.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I like it.
The question is, do you want cheese? You want cheese? Next up. You want cheese?
Yep.
Okay.
Wow, it's getting hotter.
Well, yeah.
Can I try some oil?
No, you don't eat oil like that.
No, I'm not eating oil. I'm pouring oil.
Oh,
Can I help?
yeah, later. All right. Stir, 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 stir.
Okay. Stirring, stirring, stirring.
So we gotta pop it. And then we gotta go like this. A lot.
Don't let it burn. Getting bubblier.
All right, trade.
Trade. Can I try?
Pinch of salt. More salt. More salt.
That's a lot of salt.
Okay.
Can I try?
Yes. Come here, baby. Come.
I did it.
Hey, no. We stir. We stir, we stir, we stir, we stir. See how fast I'm stirring?
Wow, that's cool.
All right, you gotta stir that fast. Go ahead. And don't spill. So you gotta be careful at the same time.
Before it burns?
Mm-hmm. See how it's getting thicker?
Why is it getting thicker?
Because it's cooking. The albumin, the white part of the egg, is getting thicker.
Albumin.
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 That's how Jack Capone says it. I'll show you Jack Capone one day. And then the yolk, they all come together. And they make a little thing. And it's a little bit hot on that side. Fry pan, I think. Here's an egg. What are you doing wiping your nose on my shirt?
What is it?
What do you mean, what is it? Thank you. All right, that's good. Let me turn off the fire. Okay.
All right.
Now, scoot your chair back over here.
But,
Because now we have to assemble.
well, something dropped on it. Come on, that bird.
So come on over here.
Coming over here.
Put half a slice of cheese on it. Look at baby. Okay, yeah, you can eat that too.
Can you eat this?
Yeah. Watch yourself. Now I'm just gonna dump it, but you gotta. Now you gotta spread it around evenly on the whole thing.
I squished it.
Yeah, just squish it all over. Make sure all the potato is covered. Move around a little bit. There you go. All right, beautiful.
Now we need bread.
You want some bread?
No, around it.
No, it's not that kind of sandwich. What?
You say so.
Yeah, you want some ketchup?
Yep. On it. Oh, on it. That was super tasty.
Of the match.
Take a bite.
Looks like Michael Olise only left out of the starting lineup today.